Everything they said they were going to do, they did. Did an excellent job. And I kept coming out and looking, and they did a perfect job. Oh, they stripped all the roof down, and I had a new roof put on, and they put all flashing and everything. Really did a real excellent job. Mello, he came in, he brought all kinds of equipment and everything. He got on the roof, took pictures, everything, and brought the material that he was going to use on the roof and everything. Explained everything perfect. And then when the crew came, they did exactly what he said they were going to do. He's very knowledgeable. He kept coming in the course of a day, checking on the crew, asking questions. Really, really professional. The job was perfect. I have never seen people clean up the way they did. Excellent. Couldn't have done anything to make it better. Get the salesperson over here to explain everything, and they do a perfect job. Definitely recommend them.